Okay, these are our job priorities. And these are things that you want to do in your life or have in your life. So you just kind of look through here. Let's suppose, let's see, urban or rural. I'll click on the question mark. So gives you an example. Some jobs can be found only in rural areas, while others occur in large cities. Many jobs can be found everywhere. Okay, so large cities would be film and video editors, merchandise displayers, so forth. Small towns, commercial fishers, and forestry technicians. Okay, so you want to decide between rural or urban. Maybe wages is a job priority. Okay, so I'm going to put that over there. I'm just going to click once, moves it right over. And let's suppose you want a job. Let's see here. Let's find out what shift work means. Okay, so shift work is registered nurses. So they have a set schedule, 7 to 7, 12 hours. Whereas barbers, they can pretty much set their own time. Okay. Elementary school teachers are not going to be shift work, even though we have a set schedule. They will not be working in the middle of the night. Okay, so shift work. So let's suppose I want independence. Okay, you want to choose 5 of these job priorities, and then this is going to sort our jobs down according to our priorities. All right. Okay, so I know you're probably calling out some things. Let's see. I want independence. I want math and science. Okay. What other things am I interested in? Let's see here. Problem solving, responsibility for others. Supervise. Let's be in charge. Okay. Let's see here. Job prospects, this is an important one. This surprises me, actually. Okay, so let's see here. Occupations need new workers every year to fill new jobs or replace workers who move on to other jobs. So occupations need a lot of new workers. Others don't need many at all. The number of job openings may affect how easy it is for you to find a job. Over time, the job prospects for an occupation may change. Some occupations may have better prospects 10 years from now, and some may have worse. A typist or a word processor, poor. Computer operators, I'm assuming that means just sitting there doing mindless computing. Whereas computer engineers, they're the ones that are designing and coding and so forth. Let's say a travel agent would probably be a poor job prospect because everybody just Googles and gets on, the gnome guy. What's that guy? Travelocity. Okay. Medical assistance is a excellent possibility for jobs. Okay, so that's the kind of thing. Well, when I go to school and I graduate from school, I want to be able to make sure that the jobs will be sitting there. Okay, so I have 5. Now, you can move these up and down. Okay, so see how I move the wages down? I want independence. Maybe, I want to be the one in charge. Supervisor. Okay, so I'm going to click on independence because that's kind of heavy truck drivers, heavy truck drivers. These, they have to make it across the country in, 24 hours. And, but if they choose to sleep, 5 hours into their ride, that's okay. Electricians, helpers, service station attendants, they, are pretty much, you do this and move on from there. Okay. So there you go. You guys can read through these. Okay. So, these are my priorities, job priorities, my work values. Okay. So I'm going to click continue. and then just close from here. Now, what we do is you choose, this is my job app, my priority, independence. How much do you want independence to be part of your job? Well, I chose it as my number one, so I'm going to put a great deal. And then this one, I call it, how much are you willing to tolerate? I'm going to put a lot to a great deal and click sort. Okay. All right. So in that one decision, I eliminated 216 jobs. And these are 216 not on my list anymore. Okay. So down to 354 jobs to choose from. Let's get cracking. Okay. How much must an occupation pay? Well, if I want to supervise and so forth, I'm going to choose this one. How much are you willing to tolerate? Well, I already ran my reality check. I kind of know that I can pretty much handle that. So I go ahead and click sort. Okay. Eliminated 88. Okay, a total of 304 are not on my list anymore. And we continue. Okay. How much do you want to supervise? A lot. I mean, someone can be ahead of me if they want. And I'm going to put somewhat and click. Okay, so I'm willing to tolerate somewhat, but I'm partial to a lot. So that got rid of 83 jobs. Better kick it in here. Next factor. How much do you want to use math or science? Ooh, a great deal. And I'm willing to tolerate a lot. Let's put somewhat. Let's see what that does for us. Only 24. Let's remove somewhat and click sort. And let's see if it removes some more. 79. So that's nice that you can come up here and unclick some of these and see the result. Okay, now I click next factor. What level of job prospects are you willing to consider? Well, I want excellent job prospects. Sort. Okay, you'll get these warnings. And it says it'll remove 76% of my jobs. And I'm going to say okay. Okay. Now I'm down to 24. That's awesome. Okay, so look how many I have eliminated. Woof. Continue. Okay, there are 24 jobs remaining on your list. This is reasonable number of occupations to consider. So just realize that, you're looking for that one sentence. Otherwise, you have to run it over again. So I'm going to go ahead and click close. And here we are. These are my 24 jobs. Now, you are going to be designing your slide. I have left it open for you, okay? So whatever way that you want to research this, you'll need to do, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and snip this because these are number of occupations on my list, okay? And make it kind of a narrow one because you don't need all this stuff over here. So these are occupations on my list. And file save as. And it went immediately to my pictures. So I'm going to call it the OC occupation OS. Sort. Actually, I'm just going to put sort. Okay. And I'm going to do this. And I'm going to put on list. See that? Sort on list. And save. Okay. So these are the sorts on my list, and I'm going to determine if any of these are kind of my interest. All right. Well, I'm going to choose dermatologist because I like to watch Dr. Pimple Popper. So by clicking the title, that takes me to the actual job itself. Okay. You can save it right here as one of your favorites. Dr. Pimple Popper is my hero. No. I'm going to say being a doctor specializes in the skin is an interest. Okay. Of mine. There we go. All right. So I save that information. Okay. Now I want to go back to my list. There we go. Dermatologist. Boom. And how do I get back to my sort? Okay. So, choosing occupations? No. Okay, so let's go back to my sort. Okay, whew. Whew, that was a close one. So what you want to do is to make sure that you have saved the actual sort. So before you choose your occupation that you want to research, make sure to save the sort, okay? So we'll call this sort 1. Sort 1, 8th grade. Here we go. And save. There it is right there. Boy, I've done this 34 times. Yikes. You suppose I know some stuff, huh? Okay, so I'm going to come back here to restore my sort. Okay. Now what it does, it lists the factors. Okay, so occupations on your list. So we'll go back to that one that we already know. Click options again. You can go to occupations that almost made your list. They almost made it. So, you know, what if you wanted to be an anesthesiologist and a nurse anesthesiologist? Okay, this is the reason why it made it. It almost made your list. Because remember, we put independence as being a very high priority. Well, nurse anesthesiast doesn't have independence because they're going to be following the lead of the doctor. Makes sense to me. Okay, go back to options. Now, what you can also do is you can snip this so that you can have something to talk about when you get to the slide that you're going to create for me. So I'm going to go ahead and say File, Save As. And remember, I've been sorting. I'm going to put Date Modified, and then you can see Sort on List. Okay, so it says Sort, and I'm going to put Almost on List. Save. So you might still have an interest in being a nurse, anesthetist, but you know, you might have to modify one of your work values or job priorities. Going back to options. Okay, let's see here. Occupations, well, we can just come right here and compare occupations if we wanted to, okay? But for now, I'm going to go right here to occupations on list, and I'm going to find out why dermatologist definitely was on my list. So I'm going to click right here on the chart itself, and it shows my job priorities, and it shows why things matched up. So I can take a quick snip of this and talk about why a dermatologist, and you can see it says dermatologist right there, why a dermatologist made my list. So we go File, Save As, and Sort, and I'm going to change this from Almost to, I'm just going to put Derm tall